Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Picture this: golden, crisp fries piled high, topped with fresh, squeaky cheese curds, and smothered in a rich, savory gravy. That, right there, is poutine, Canada's most celebrated comfort food creation. It's more than just a snack, it's a culinary experience. Originating in Quebec, this simple dish combines 3 humble ingredients to create perfection. You don't need a trip north of the border to enjoy authentic poutine. This guide provides an easy, step-by-step recipe. You'll learn the secrets to preparing each core component. Get ready to recreate this classic Canadian dish right in your kitchen. The secret to great poutine: mastering the 3 core ingredients. The success of a truly authentic poutine hinges on ingredient quality. You can't rush perfection, especially when it comes to the fries, the curds, and the gravy. We need top-tier components to achieve that signature taste and satisfying texture. Why potato choice matters: creating the perfect French fries. The foundation of poutine is the French fry, so choosing the right potato is critical. Russet potatoes are the undisputed king here. Their high starch content gives you that essential fluffy interior and a crispy exterior after frying. Cut your potatoes into medium-thick strips, about a ½ inch square. Avoid thin, shoestring fries, they won't hold up to the gravy. To achieve a professional finish, you'll need a double fry method, ensuring maximum crispness. If you prefer a healthier route, an air fryer works well too, producing a lovely golden color and soft, buttery interior. The squeak factor: finding or making fresh cheese curds. This is where many homemade recipes go wrong. Authentic poutine demands fresh, squeaky, unmelted cheese curds. The squeak is the sound the curds make when you bite into them, signifying extreme freshness. It also indicates they are at room temperature, ready to be slightly softened, not fully melted, by the hot gravy. Look for fresh cheese curds at local dairies, farmers markets, or specialty cheese shops. If you can only find refrigerated curds, allow them to sit out for about an hour before serving. Never use shredded cheese or aged cheddar; they will instantly melt into a messy blob, ruining the texture contrast that defines poutine. Crafting the signature poutine gravy, the flavor base. The gravy must be rich, dark, and hot. Traditional poutine gravy is usually beef-based, but chicken stock also makes a good substitute. We aim for a savory, slightly thick consistency, enough to cling to the fries and curds without being gloppy. You can easily thicken the gravy using a roux, butter and flour, or a cornstarch slurry. Crucially, the gravy must be piping hot when you pour it over the final assembly. This extreme heat is necessary to slightly soften, but not fully dissolve, the room temperature cheese curds. It's the essential final step that pulls the dish together. Step-by-step guide: how to make Canada's famous poutine recipe. Now we put the 3 components together. Making poutine involves staging each element so they are ready simultaneously for the assembly, which must happen quickly. Cooking the fries to golden perfection. Mastering the double fry technique gives you fries that stay crisp under the onslaught of gravy. First fry: blanching. Heat cooking oil, canola or vegetable work well, to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius. Fry the raw cut fries in batches until they are soft and pale, typically 5 to 7 minutes. They shouldn't be brown yet. Remove them and let them drain and cool completely. This step cooks the inside. Second fry: crisping. Increase the oil temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Fry the blanched fries again in small batches. This time, fry them quickly until they are a deep golden brown and exceptionally crispy. This should only take 2 to 3 minutes. Drain the fries immediately on paper towels and season generously with salt. Whipping up the rich, hot gravy. While the fries reach their final crisp stage, prepare the gravy. Speed is important, especially now. That's how you begin crafting Canada's ultimate comfort food with the right ingredients and technique. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.